Hello guys, we're here at Gingonang Park looking for a kwek-kwek to eat for our snacks. Then look at what we are wearing. We are wearing the same shirt. The Ferdinand Nalcott
Manayaw.
City Councilor. Manayaw daw me guys. So, I am a vlogger now. Pero atik ka. Oh my kwek-kwek! Oh. We're looking for a kwek-kwek here at Gingonang Park, Butuan City. So don't forget to like, follow, and share. Nara dito oh, asat pa?
Ha?
Asat ba? Para okay picture asat ba?
Ano bit?
Now, we are now crossing the road. Padulong sa kwek-kwek. Ang boto, kwek-kwek na to or burger. Hi, Charlie Mac Vlog. Charlie Mac Vlog.
Charlie Mac Moto.
Charlie Mac Moto dahil. Moto daw, pero nagbaktas. So, now guys. Here are the kwek-kwek. Dahil lang. Pero may makuha.